IMT Hyderabad carries a legacy of IMT Ghaziabad, 30 years of excellence in business and management education, and is poised to make a mark as a business school of international repute. It epitomizes the latest technology, research and advancement in pedagogy for delivery of knowledge and information beyond borders. I am indeed honored to welcome Shri Kapil Sibal, Union Minister for HRD, IT and Communication. We are grateful to you, sir, for accepting our invitation to inaugurate this campus. We are all aware of your passionate enthusiasm for quality higher education for millions of aspiring youth of this country. Your presence here today provides us all a great incentive to make business education and sharing of management knowledge a great experience by making full use of information technology. Your appreciation and understanding of the role of top-class private institutes in providing quality higher education in this country will always encourage us to set higher standards in creating the environment conducive for teaching, learning and research. I once again take this opportunity to extend our warm welcome and gratitude for your presence with us on this occasion of joy for all of us who have been associated with creation of this infrastructure for advanced learning. I welcome Shri Kiran Kumar Reddy, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, to this world-class infrastructure for higher education in this small village of Rangareddy district. It would have been extremely difficult to create this infrastructure in such a short time without the support of the government of Andhra Pradesh and more so the successive chief ministers. We do hope that we have been able to create the facilities for higher education which will match your expectations. While assuring you of our best contribution in the development of Hyderabad in particular and this entire region in general, we solicit your constant advice and guidance in making the institute a harbinger of growth in this area. I would now like to mention the person whose vision and guidance led to the birth of IMT Hyderabad, Shri Kamal Nath. The President of the Center for Advanced Education Society has indeed been instrumental in encouraging and motivating us to create highly futuristic facilities for delivering business education. I can assure the President of our Education Society that the facilities in this institute are by far the best amongst all IMT institutions. The facilities enable the delivery of research knowledge and information not just with the classrooms, but will also make it possible to share this knowledge across borders. Taking a cue from your advice that we teach in IMT must have global perspective. We have created facilities in our classrooms for global interaction. The knowledge that we share with our students can be shared not only with all IMT campuses in India and abroad, but with anyone who wishes to make use of our teaching services. We have similarly equipped our classrooms for interactive broadcast of business education from anywhere in the world from top-class business schools, with whom we have collaboration for sharing of information and knowledge. These facilities make this IMT campus unique. Let me, on my own behalf and on behalf of entire faculty, staff and students of IMT Hyderabad, welcome you, sir, to this technologically most advanced institute of IMT group of institutions. I welcome the respected members of Parliament and senior bureaucrats, and I will also welcome Mrs. Sabita Indra Reddy, Honorable Home Minister of Andhra Pradesh. I would like to welcome Mr. Bakul Nath, Vice President IMT, for his continuous guidance, motivation and support. His untiring effort and involvement has encouraged us to think innovatively and create an environment conducive for world-class learning. I also take this opportunity to welcome all the members of Center for Advanced Education Society who have come here today to attend this inauguration ceremony. We are indeed privileged to be in the company of the leading personalities of the corporate world. I thank you for encouraging us with your presence here today and welcome you to our campus. With your leadership, assistance and participation, IMT Hyderabad is sure to achieve its aim of pioneering business ideas and practices. No amount of infrastructure can make an institute great. It is in fact the students who make an institute great. I would like to extend my warm welcome to our students and their parents on this auspicious occasion. It is never an easy decision to take admission in a new institute of higher education. More than anyone else, you have much in stake in the success of this institute. I would therefore consider this as my bounden duty to tell you as to what are we likely to deliver to you by way of business knowledge and information.